She's got a pig. Okay, so let's keep going. I want to put in the framing for this A-frame house because I think that's such a cool looking element to this architecture. So give an example. This picture I found kind of exposes the framing, exposes the rafters. So I'm going to play around and do something like that. I really like that look. And I also added some trees. And so let me go grab my section plane. I'm going to move it in because what I'd like to start working on is a pattern or array to create these rafters on the inside here. So what I did is I wasn't sure how to do that in SketchUp, so I Googled it, and I was able to find a video. So this is how I usually solve all my problems in any CAD software. Is in this case, I came over and typed in SketchUp like pattern or array. So usually I'll be able to find a good video. You can see that it shows up here, and I did find a good video, a couple minute video here that maybe I'll even put a link to in case you need it. But so I'm going to start to build that in this model, and what I want to do is probably start by building that first one here in the corner and then see if I can array it. Okay, so after watching the video, how you do this, how you make a pattern of something is, in this case, I'll go ahead and go, there we go. So I had the space already created because I had inset the back of my house, but I can use that face there. So I use that same tool, that offset tool. I click that face. This time I just inset it a little bit. I'll leave a little thick of a layer for the pine wood on the roof. So basically I have a subface there. And if I hit the move tool, anytime you hold control when you hit the move tool, you will be able to basically make a copy of it, and it will kind of place it. You'll see. So let me actually choose that face. Sorry, I'm not selecting it real well. There we go. That face, hold control. You'll see it actually pulls a copy out. I'm real careful. It'll naturally snap to a perpendicular distance away, perfectly aligned under the roof line still. And you can actually, in the right-hand corner down there, you'll see your measurements. If I let go of control right now and I type in 3 feet, I can then hit enter, I think, and it should place that. Didn't do it that time. I'm going to try it again. It's a little touchy for me. I don't really have a great feel for it yet. I was able to get it to work. So let me see if I can try it again. And I think I maybe already set that. And that's, let me try this again. Control Z. Grab that face. Hold control. Try and get this aligned. There we go. I'm going to let go of control and actually use the keyboard to type in 3 feet. And then I'm going to hit and enter. There we go. Now I'm going to type in 10x, 10 times. And then hit enter again. This is what the software told me to do, and it works. So what I can do is I can start to create that rafter beam, and you don't see all of them because, let me pull this back out because I had that section view, okay? So I'll probably, what I'm gonna do is build that beam up as a real wood beam, make it look like wood, and obviously the ones that make up the floor joists, I gotta push those down so they're underneath and they're under the floor.